Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage vadai. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of chana dal, about 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage, and a selection of aromatic spices like ginger, green chilies, and curry leaves. Begin by soaking the chana dal in water for at least 2 hours. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture in your vadai. Once your chana dal is perfectly soaked, drain it completely and grind it into a coarse paste without adding any water. Next, in a large bowl, combine this ground dal with your finely chopped cabbage. Now, incorporate other flavorful additions such as chopped onions, minced ginger, green chilies, and fresh curry leaves. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a well-combined, firm mixture. Now it's time to shape your vadai. Take small, lemon-sized portions of the mixture and gently flatten them between your palms. Aim for a disc shape, approximately 2.5 inches in diameter and about 1/4 of an inch thick. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium flame. Carefully slide the shaped vadai into the hot oil and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy on both sides. Your delicious cabbage vadai are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with a side of tangy coconut chutney or a flavorful sambar for an authentic experience. These crispy, savory snacks are absolutely perfect for an evening tea break or as a delightful appetizer. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.